In today's episode, we'll show you how to create mirror nails using Metal Manix Multichrome. We'll reveal the secrets of the perfect powder application and enrich the styling with a shiny, slightly wild accent.
Hi, my name is Connie, and this is a channel dedicated to the art of nail styling. Today, I'll show you how to create perfectly shiny surfaces on your nails.
The products and tools we'll use in today's episode are gel polish in Mr. Black, Metal Manix Multichrome, Flame Effect Eldorado, Art Brilliante Black Poison, Tip Top Top Coat, a metal cuticle pusher, Master Nail Art 006 brush, a soft cupcake brush, and a nail art palette.
In today's episode, we'll go big with decorations. As they say, go big or go home. And today we took this to heart, creating mirror effect nails with an animal motif. In the world of nail art, some will be thrilled, while others might think it's a little much. Regardless of which group you identify with, let's treat this episode as a two-in-one. You'll learn how to create a perfect mirror surface or an animal print, because both will come in handy during carnival season, for example. Besides, listen, let's be tolerant. Just because we don't like a particular design doesn't mean it won't be our friend's favorite or our clients, for that matter.
We extended our model's nails with light rose gel and shaped them into an almond. Now we cover them with 2 layers of gel polish in Mr. Black. When applying the second coat, we drive the color deeper under the cuticles. First, we push them back with a cuticle pusher, then top up the polish using the Master Nail Art 006 brush. We cure each layer in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now we cover the nails in Tip Top Top Coat. We reach for a thin brush and thoroughly secure the area by the cuticles. Cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Using a powder applicator, we rub the Metal Manix Multichrome into the entire surface of the nails. We focus on rubbing it in thoroughly, including by the cuticles, then remove any excess using the cupcake brush.
Metal Manix Multichrome is an iconic old-timer that deserves all the attention it gets. The mirror nail effect still excites us as much as it did back in 2016. Now, to achieve this spectacular, legendary effect, we must follow a few rules. I'll mention the 3 most important ones. First of all, we rub the powder into a product without a dispersion layer, but don't let this confuse you. We still need to rub it into a warm surface, so a nail straight out of the multi-LED lamp, which is why it's best to work 1 nail at a time. Secondly, what do we use to rub the powder in? Either an applicator or a fingertip, as long as we do it gently, massaging the surface of the nail. Thirdly, once we achieve a desired mirrored surface, we need to dust off the nail with a soft brush to get rid of any lingering powder particles, so we don't accidentally cover them with a top coat because that will create an unwanted texture.
We secure the nails again with Tip Top, helping ourselves with a thin brush to reach the area by the cuticles, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We place a drop of Tip Top onto the nail art palette. We dot it around the nail surface at random using a thin brush. We then apply the Flame Effect Eldorado onto the tip-top spots. We pick it up directly from the jar using a thin brush. The particles will stick to the bristles and we can transfer them onto the top coat. We cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. We repeat this action on the ring finger, then use the tip-top top coat to secure the effect. We focus only on the decorative elements. We don't need to cover the whole surface with the top coat, as we've already done that. We dip a thin brush into the top coat and gently cover the particles, then cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. We place a drop of the Art Brilliante Black Poison onto the nail art palette. Using a thin brush, we create characteristic spots, both around the flame effect and in between them. We make sure our pattern is irregular, just like a panther's fur. We cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Our Brilliante gels don't leave a dispersion layer, so once the design is cured, it's finished and it doesn't require wiping with a cleaner.
And that is all for our episode today. Let us know in the comments below if you like mirrored nails and when was the first time you heard of this design. Was it back in 2016 or sometime later during one of its many reincarnations? Either way, remember, here every Wednesday. See you then. Have a fabulous week.